ways you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it, getting these voices inside to stay quiet.
In today's video, I'm making mahamri, and to ingredients I have a cup of sugar or a quarter cup of sugar, melted butter, unsalted one, 2 tablespoons of instant yeast, cardamom powder, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and 1 cup of coconut milk. Into a mixing bowl, we're going to add our all-purpose flour, our instant yeast, and our sugar.
They said, be meek, look beneath the bed before you go to sleep. Keep on, I shine, you'll surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it, getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Go to the place where all this began, to start again. You won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall first to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be done, and you can't start again until you break down. Break down. Until you break down. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall first to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found.
I'm going to cover our dough and let it rest for about 30 minutes. Still after 30 minutes later,
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah. Savannah, the beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a walk, Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young.
Mahamri for another 30 minutes with a damp kitchen towel. It's after 30 minutes and it's time to deep fry our mahamri.
Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah.